Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. Can you spot the sneaky snowflakes? This reindeer needs your help. Join us for a fun and interactive drawing adventure as we create a cute reindeer with a twist. In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to draw an adorable reindeer with big boots, a cozy scarf blowing in the wind, and of course, a bright red nose. But there's more. Hidden in this video are some sneaky snowflakes along the way. Can you spot them all? Let's get drawing and spotting. Start with a simple curved shape for the bottom part of the head, like a rounded U. Add a small oval shape in the center for the reindeer's nose, making it a bit larger to give it that cute look. Just above the nose, add two small dots for the eyes, spaced slightly apart for a gentle, friendly expression. On each side of the head, draw two curved ear shapes. Make them rounded on top and slightly pointed at the bottom. Add a line within each ear to give them more detail. Above the ears, draw two antlers. Each antler has a main line with two smaller branches coming off it, like upside-down Y shapes. Make sure the antlers are a bit rounded and playful, not too sharp or detailed, to keep the cartoonish feel. Just below the head, draw a cute scarf wrapped around its neck. For the arms, add small lines or rounded U shapes on each side of the body to represent the hands, making them close to the body to show a relaxed posture. Keeping it simple and slightly rounded. Starting at the bottom of the body, draw two rounded shapes for the legs. Add oversized rounded boots on each foot. Make them chunky and a bit larger than the legs to give a cozy look. Did you know that reindeer are the only type of deer where both males and females grow antlers? In winter, female reindeer keep their antlers while males lose theirs. So, Santa's reindeer might actually all be girls. Let's finish off the scarf, and this is it. It turned out really cute. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Have you spotted all the snowflakes? Leave a comment and let me know how many did you see. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.